Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Present value calculations. We have two methods. One is present value calculations at single flow. So that we have seen present value of single cash flow. Last class we have covered. Now today we'll see present value annuity. Present value of annuity. This we'll see what it is. I'll give you just simply recap. Suppose say future. Next coming 5 years, we are going to get 1 lakh rupee each year. Okay? 1 lakh every year we are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 years, I am going to get 1 lakh rupee. This is future. What is the value now, right now? Present, what is this value? This we are going to calculate in present value of annuity. Annuity means many amounts. There it was only one flow. Here many flows are there. At present, what is this value? Present value we are going to calculate, that is why present value annuity. Got it? Here we have two methods. One is through the manual calculation through the formula. Second one is through the table. Both the methods I'll tell you. Nothing to worry. Where is my duster? I'll clear this. Now through the manual calculation formula. Don't worry, easy to remember. I'll make you to by heart it right now. So this is manual formula and also table formula. Manual formula is here PVAN, present value annuity. Present value annuity, N means number of years, is equal to X into means amount 1 lakh, whatever is given. Some people say it as a X, some people say it as a also, doesn't matter. You can say X or A, okay? X into big bracket, again small bracket, 1 plus R to the power of N. This you have to remember, 1 plus R to the power of N minus 1. Downside R into the same 1 plus R to the power of N. Able to remember? Here 1 plus R to the power of N minus 1. Downside R into 1 plus R to the power of N. Now you can say along with me PVAN is equal to X into big brackets 1 plus R to the power of N minus 1 divided by R into 1 plus R to the power of N. So this is, you know, three amounts are required. What are those amount? What we are going to get 1 lakh? What is the discount rate? And how many years? Three things are required. This is the formula. And the next table calculation. PVA, present value annuity, is equal to X into XX. It looks like XR multiplication. That is why many people use it as a A. You can use anything. Anyway, X into PVAF. PVAF means present value of annuity factor. For this, what is required? We need two things. One is, for to know this present value, one is we need how many years are there, how many years, and also we need to know percentage, discount rate. If these two things, in which table you have to see? Present annuity table. There are 4 tables I told you. Future value 2 tables, present value 2 tables. Future value 2, present value 2. Now if you see present value, 2 tables are there. Present value. One is rupee value, another one is annuity. We are working annuity method. So present value annuity table we have to see. This will focus later. First we'll go for manual calculation. Simple problem I'll explain. Here is the problem. A person is likely to get 9,876 every year for the next 7 years. A person is going to get every year 9,876. Like how many years? 7 years he is going to get. If the discount rate is 5%, find the present value of money. Now what do we need? Amount. This is the amount we are going to get. Second thing is that how many years. Third thing is that discount rate. 3 things are required. Apply it in the formula. So shall we go for the calculation? Yes. First you have to write the formula, then after that coming to this step, PVA to the power of N is equal to x is here 9876. Big bracket, again small bracket, 1 plus r. R is rate discount rate 5%. 5% means 0.5%. 0.05. 0.05 to the power of 7. N is 7. 7 minus 1 divided by r once again. R means 0.05 into same one, 1 plus r to the power of n means this one as it is. 1 plus r is 0.05 to the power of 7. Close the brackets. Calculations, you need to be very careful. I am poor in maths, but I am calculating, I am preparing, and especially for you all. Nowadays I am eating okra a lot. Okra means bendi, because for good calculations. Just kidding, every week I eat. Now coming to the calculations, need to be very careful because we know everything, only calculations. Now next step we'll do 9876 as it is. This is 1 plus 0.05 means 1.05 to the power of 7 minus 1 divided by, this is as it is, will keep. Next 1 plus 0. Same one na, 1 plus 0.05 means 1.05 to the power of 7. This calculations we have to do. First what we'll do, 1.05 into 7 manually you have to do. I have shown you already. You have to write 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05, like 7 times we have to write. Seven times you multiply it. Lastly, when you say is equal to, you will get this value. I have already written. I don't want to calculate. You calculate and see this amount you are going to get. That amount I'll write it directly. 9876 into this value is 1.40711 minus 1 divided by 0.05 into this value already we have done na, same one, 1.05 to the power of 7. Same one, 1.407110. We'll do this calculation. Shall I use this area or otherwise I'll come down only. 9876 into, this is 1 minus 407100 means 0.40710, right? Divided by, now if you calculate 0.05 into 1.40710 is equal to 0.070355. Okay. Now next step it is, we'll do this calculation. 9876 is as it is into this calculation, 0.407100 divided by 0.070355. It comes to 5.7863. Now multiply this into 9876. You are getting 57,146. 57,146. Okay. The same calculation we'll see through the table also. Through table means which table we want? Present value annuity. Present value annuity I have taken. Can you see? So present value annuity, what is needed? Years and discount rate. Years and discount rate we'll write here. PVA X is 9876. Years are how many years? 7 years. Discount rate is 5%. We'll check it out. 5%. How many years? 7 years. 7 years, it comes to 5.786. 5.786. See, same one. 5.786. If you multiply same amount you got, need not to do even the calculation also, because the same thing we got here. Simply I'll write 57,146. Same amount we got it. Whether you are doing manual calculation or table. Through the table this much, manual this much. Same. Am I clear? Let me explain it. There is nothing to worry. Only the thing is you have to read the problem carefully. What they have given, future values are given. How they are given? Every year you are going to get this much of amount. How many years? 7 years we are going to get. What is the present value? It means this method, present value annuity. Present value annuity means formula, remember. X into 1 plus r to the power of n minus 1 by r into 1 plus r to the power of n. That's all. Apply it to the formula carefully. If you do it, you are getting this answer. Through the table, same one. With this. Want to take screenshot? Yes. With this, we have completed chapter, time value of money. Hope it is clear. Don't forget to share this videos. By the way, even today I am getting lots of mails for collaborations. If I go for collaboration, you have to pay for each of my lecture. There are many students who cannot pay. For them, I am giving free services. Please utilize it. Share these videos as much as possible. Let's prove that studies are easy. This is my motto. So do share and practice well. Write notes clearly, write the formulas, practice it more times. Take your subject problems also, textbook, anything, backside problems, illustrations, practice it. See you in the next class with a new chapter, capital budgeting. Stay connected. Good luck.